Inspector General of Police or the DIG, anti-kidnapping monitoring unit. As people who are very civil, we responded to the invitation. And let me announce for the records, the police people did not come here to arrest us. They invited us after the initial misunderstanding at Minoko, following the commissioner's recommendation that they handle the matter after we had reported about suspected violence. So we got to the IG's office and reported at the anti-kidnapping unit headed by DIG. The two parties, let me repeat the names: Chief Billy Owhonda, Mr. Roland Amaehule, Mr. Michael Nwosu, and Nyekwere Chindah. After hearing from us, the DIG told us in clear and unmistakable terms that police can usually be interested in matters pertaining to crime, such as kidnapping, armed robbery, and so on and so forth, called it crime. But anything pertaining to chieftaincy matters and land matters, they don't get involved. The DIG also told us that the petition they wrote against us was 90% about chieftaincy, and that they don't meddle into chieftaincy matters. On which note, he said there will be no detention of anybody because there's nothing to substantiate any criminal activity other than the fact that they discovered that the whole matter centered on chieftaincy matters in the community. He advised that whosoever is aggrieved should go to competent jurisdiction or court of local arbitration. We were happy with his judgment. I was there with the chairman of town council. I was there with Nduketu this year. That October they will see you. I was there with Ekinigbo Amadi. I was there with Okechukwu, Bobby Ezekiel, and Chamberlain. That's how we went. So the DIG said it will be important for us as we are going home to maintain peace, law, and order, on the understanding that if anyone was aggrieved, the person could go to court or anywhere local. He summarized by saying that we should do a small undertaking to be of peace, in the community. They wrote the papers, we didn't write, and they asked us only to sign. All the parties on our side signed. And the DIG was asked, how will you not understand a case of two parties, one party signing and one party not signing? You must get back to them. That was about 5 p.m. She placed a call in presence of all of us and told her that they were already in Port Harcourt, that within 30 minutes. Of course, we knew it was lie. But however, as soon as we were done, I got into a vehicle with the chairman and with Okechukwu. The other 4 could not enter the same car because it's a small car. It was a small car that entered. So we asked them to come to the junction where we had to wait for them. When they came out, fortunately or unfortunately, the 4 people were standing together. Look at you, Ekinigbo Amadi, standing with Bobby Ezekiel and Chamberlain. Specifically, O2, Michael Nwosu, pointed at Bobby and Chamberlain. And the next thing we saw was a commando operation. Swift reaction. People alighted from their car, grabbed these 2, tucked them in. You know what I mean by tucking in? Forcing them into the vehicle and then zoom off. Unfortunately, too, for the police, the IPO was around the scene of crime. And we called her attention. And all she could tell us was that she hadn't eaten since morning. And so we should give her money to go and eat first. So we said that. I don't know whether this is abduction or kidnap, which is a serious criminal matter. And you're telling us about hunger. She said she has to eat. That later they will look for them. With such arrogance. So we left her and went straight to the Deputy Inspector General of the DIG. The man went into action